This is the Akko MOD007 in Santorini colorway, which Akko was kind enough to send for me to review, so huge thanks to them for doing it. Today we'll do a quick unboxing to see what you get in the box, and I'll also share some first impressions. I'll definitely do a full review to check how well the rapid trigger performs while gaming, whether switching to wireless makes any noticeable difference in performance, so if that's something you want to see, be sure to subscribe. I really like the attention to detail from Akko. The image on the box matches the theme of the keyboard, so in this case it's the Santorini island in Greece with its beautiful blue roofs and domes. Inside of the box you will find a keyboard with white and blue keycaps, some of which also have themed images on them. Overall the keyboard is really heavy, weighing around 1 kilogram. On the bottom there's a set of adjustable feet to help you adjust the height. On top you also get a knob, which by default is set to change the volume or brightness of the keyboard. Let's do a quick sound test. I've got to say the keyboard sounds really lovely. It's quiet, has nice deep sounding keys that also do not sound hollow at all. Akko did a really good job shipping a keyboard that sounds great out of the box, so if you're happy with the effect, you won't need to mod it. Let's see what else we get as a part of the whole package. All the additional accessories are hidden in a nice box which you can take out. Inside there's a wireless receiver, a white coiled cable, a switch puller and a keycap puller as well. This really is a complete package. I can't imagine you need anything else. There's also a manual that helps you set up the keyboard for Wi-Fi or Bluetooth use. So the first impressions are very positive. The keyboard feels heavy, sturdy and doesn't flex even if you try hard. The font and graphics might not be for everyone, but replacing the keycaps is a very easy thing to do. I'm rather impressed at how rich the package is. Either way, that's it for today. I'll post a full review on my channel in the upcoming days. Thanks for watching, I'm Laser and I'll see you soon.